Hi, welcome to Pointerpro Report Builder. In this video, we will see how you can add a table widget to your PDF report. Table widget is one of the basic widgets. Simply drag and drop it onto canvas. Immediately, table settings will open. Here, you would need to first configure how many columns you would like to have, and then proceed by adding rows. You can configure the table style and some additional table properties. To see how the table configuration look like, let's look at the example that we already added. As you see in this table, we have 3 columns, 1 row that looks like a header, and then 4 rows that contain information. Let's see how it's configured. As mentioned, we added 3 columns here in this part of the configurations. The first row for us is a header. So here we give labels or names to our columns. After that, we visualize results per category. In our case, there are 4 categories, so we add 4 more rows. Inside the text field here, you can use either variable via add variable menu, or it can be also a static text or a number. After we filled in all our rows, you can choose a table style. We chose the second one, header, and you can set table properties. For example, change the color or enable certain configurations. Save and close. This is how our chart looks like. When you click on the chart, you can also go to additional settings. Here you will find your chart ID, your chart name. You can add conditional rules when this chart should be shown or hidden, and you can also add margins. When you click on the chart, you also see a blue menu popping up in the upper right corner. This allows you to move your chart around the page, copy it, or delete it. Now try adding your own table widget. Good luck!